Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we will be checking out the recipe of Til Mawa Laddoos made with Jaggery. The portion size is specified make 25 mini laddoos. Let us check out the recipe without further ado. In a pan, dry roast 1.5 cups of unpolished sesame seeds or til for 4 to 5 minutes on very low flame. Eat some to check if they have lost their raw flavor. They become crunchy and start spluttering slightly. Like this. When the sesame seeds are done, remove from the gas stove and allow to cool. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and dry roast it on very low flame, occasionally stirring it. In 1 or 2 minutes, it will become slightly pink in color, like this. Remove from the gas and allow to cool. Meanwhile, the sesame seeds must have cooled. When the seeds are cooled, then only crush them into a coarse powder, like this. To this powder, add 4 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. Mix it well so that both the powders are evenly distributed. Well, to the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 1 cup of mawa. The link for making a homemade instant mawa is mentioned in the description below. Do check that out. Now saute this mawa on low flame for 6 to 7 minutes till it becomes slightly brown. Remove from gas and allow to cool. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. To this, add 2 cups of jaggery or gur. Now on very low flame, allow the jaggery to melt completely, as you can see here. Now add the mixture of ground sesame seeds and groundnut powder and mix well so that all the mixture is incorporated. Now add the roasted desiccated coconut. You can add 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds to the mixture now. This will give a slight crunch to the normally soft laddoos. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and add some freshly grated nutmeg, about half teaspoon. Now mix well and remove from the pan. Now start rolling laddoos when the mixture is warm itself. Otherwise the jaggery will set. You can decorate the laddoos with kaju pieces. Til Mawa Laddoos with Jaggery is ready to consume. Let us take a recap. The ingredients for the recipe are displayed here. A complete list of written, downloadable and printable instructions are mentioned in our blog at www.thefoodmonologues.com. Do visit our site for more interesting and delicious recipes. A link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, share with friends and family and give the video a like. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.